Okay, we're gonna walk down the Street of Sports, and you can see some sports right here. You can see casino over that way. I'm just gonna walk straight down and just kind of show you what's all around here. All right. Go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Yeah, the Hua of Sports, Street of Sports. So that one over there is, I think that's the swimming pool over there. And then you can see some soccer. I think this is a track, so I can see kind of an outdoor track part. Over here is Street of the College, Hua de Colegio. They got basketball here. And I think this one right here is Anglican College, so there's Hua de Colegio. There's a station right there. That's it's an easy way to get here. And then they have all this basketball, Galaxy Casino, and then over there is a Venetian Casino and the Cotai Strip. So we have all this stuff right here. Got basketball. And there's a over there's a school called Samyak Middle School. So okay, Hua de Sports. We'll definitely try to show both. Let's walk over there real quick. So this one has green AstroTurf, and you got your sports down there too. So yeah, the Hua Sports. Swimming pool is inside there, and then some other track is over there too. Okay, so we're gonna walk on down. Let's go back across the street here, and we're in Taipa. So Hua de Sporte is in Taipa. So you got some basketball, lots of basketball. Basketball on one side and soccer on the other. So it's so yeah, pretty cool. I think they come down here almost every evening. Oh, look at that. That's kind of cool. All those stormtroopers right there. Got little stormtrooper dolls or hacky sacks or something. So this basketball court is connected to this sports center. So you can see all this kind of cool stuff. And then over here they got Practica Sports. Let's see what we can see here. Ping pong. I can see ping pong right away. Exercise machines. Here's the ping pong. It looks like we can't get any more ping pong viewpoints, but we can try to walk over this way now. And then we'll try to capture the soccer. So Hua de Sports. There we go. So they're playing soccer here. They got some soccer nets. I think this is kids team, looks like. Okay, let's go down this one. This one has a track, so people can work out and run, of course. So that one's right there. And you can do all kinds of exercise equipment as well. Let me just see. There's the track. And way down there's like jump, like you can do a long jump and different stuff, just like any kind of track. And then in the middle there's tennis. So you can see the tennis way down in the middle there. So anyways, this is the Hua de Sports. And that's the Cotai Strip right over there at Galaxy Casino. So this is the other side of the sports thing. And we have this big one right here. Olympic, okay. And then down this way, you can kind of walk down this whole street and just kind of follow it down, and it goes into Taipa. So maybe we'll just follow it just a little ways, just so you can see how it all works out. And then there's running right there, so people can run in this space. There you go. Okay, so we're gonna head back, and then you can also follow this all the way down. This is kind of like a little back road, and it's kind of cool too. There's so this back road takes you up to other parts of Taipa, and also up to this one, and then there's a sign for the station. So there's a station right here called Stadium Station, so it takes you to that stadium, which is where Sports Street also goes to. And you have this over here as well, which I think is just soccer. Let's go check it out. So yep, this is a soccer field right there. So so there's soccer fields, basketball courts, swimming pool, track and field, exercise equipment, and actually there's a lot of this in Macau. So this is I didn't realize this is called Sports Street, but I guess it's labeled as such. And then at the base of it is McDonald's, so you can work out and not feel so guilty, I guess. Then we came out in Taipa Village here, so that's all Taipa Village. Straight ahead is construction for Galaxy Casino and Galaxy Casino. So let's head over to the other side here. There we go. We got some ornaments too. They're setting something up. Might do a separate video for that. So anyways, this is in Taipa Village, and straight ahead is Rua de Desportes. All right.
Chiquinha,